When our joystick and trigger drift, what should we do? We have two ways to reset triggers and joysticks. First, let's see method 1. Find the controller, turn it off first, then hold the side buttons and home key. Just hold for 0.5 seconds. Indicator blinks fast. Enter calibration mode. After calibration, hold X button for 1 second. Calibration is complete. Okay, method 2 is similar. Find controller on PS5, turn off the controller, then hold both triggers, not side buttons. Second method, long press while off. Press both side keys, then power on. Press home when orange light glows. Light blinks. Enter stick trigger calibration. Hold X to complete calibration.